Hey guys, in this lab we are going to talk about modifying serialized data types. Let's access the lab. So we will again try to log in with the credentials they gave us and take a look at the cookie. So let's go into my account, enter the credentials they gave us and set the Foxy proxy to be on. Alright, let's have a look at the traffic. Here we can see the post request of logging in, and here we can find the session cookie. Let's take a look at the session cookie, and by using the inspector, we can see that after URL encoding and base64, we have, as we had in the last lab, but this time we have two attributes. The username is winner, the same as it did before, but we have the second attribute, which is the access token, and its value is this one, which seems to be supposed to give us the access. Okay. So instead of logging in as winner, we want to change it to administrator. So let's send it into repeater. And we'll change the username into administrator. But we don't know the access token. So since the serialization preserves the data type, we will try to change it into 0. All right. And it should give us true if it will compare this value with a password that it's not starting with a number. So we will have to adjust it from a string into an integer and apply changes. Let's send it and look at the render. Okay. And serialized failed. Okay, let's see why. Uh, oh, so it's now the number of the characters is not 6. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright. Apply changes and send again. Okay, we have another error. Okay, it's 13. Sorry. So apply changes and send again. Let's see if we have a problem here. We have again a problem. Invalid user administrator. Okay, let's try with a lower letter maybe. Apply changes. Send again. Let's see. Okay. Now it seems to be okay. And follow redirection. And we have the admin panel. So as before, let's take a look what the link is. So it's admin. Let's grab this one and use it here. Okay, so let's take a look what is the link for Carlos. We'll copy and use it. Okay, and we'll solve the lab. But before we wrap up, I want to take a look at the functionality. Okay, so if you have the password in the PHP of password 123, we see that it's not starting with a number, with a digit. So we are trying to compare it into 0, and then it should tell us if it matches 0 or not. But as you can see, I'll already run it, and it does not match 0, even though it should be. And if we will take exactly the same code and use it in a compiler I found online, we can see that here the password matches 0. So this trick it's based on the version of the compiler of the PHP.